This is problem set, Engage New York, Module 2, Lesson 23. I didn't actually solve these out for you, but I set it up for you so that you would know exactly what you should do, the steps that you were supposed to take. However, you can always check your answer too. After you've done all the work, you can check it on a calculator. Here, that's how you have to set it up. This is how you're setting it up. Plus, don't forget to add your remainder on each one. The setup, the check, don't forget to add your remainder. Setup, check, don't forget to add your remainder. On the back side, here is step 1. You have to divide 36 cookies into a total of the cookies to get 47. How much? So he sold them in boxes of 36 cookies. How many boxes? There were 47 boxes. Then 47 boxes, step 2, multiplied by $8 is $376. Next, we have a lot of flowers arranged into 26 vases. So here is all those flowers into 26 vases. So if you had to separate them out into 26 vases, how many flowers would be needed to fill 130 vases? Well, first, we have to know how many flowers are inside each vase. So there are 42 flowers in each vase. So if you take 130 vases and multiply it by 42 flowers, you're going to end up with 5,460 flowers would be needed to fill 130 vases. All right, problem 4 is a little bit more sophisticated. So you have to take the elephant's water tank holds 2,560 gallons of water. After 2 weeks, the zookeeper measures and finds that the tank has only 1,944 gallons of water in it, which gives you 616. So that's how much the elephant drank. So now, if the elephant drinks the same amount of water each day, how many days will a full tank of water last? Well, we know there are 14 days in 2 weeks. So 14 days divided into what was drank gives you 44 gallons. That's how much he drank each day. So you have to take 44 gallons and divide it into 2,560, and because that was the total amount of gallons that you started with. So it's going to last, if he drinks 44 gallons a day, how many days would it last? It'll last 58 days. So here's a little picture of it. So here is the total. Here is what was drank. Here are the 2 weeks. This is what he drank after the 2 weeks, and then you divide it by 14 days. All right, I hope this helps. This should help you go on to the last 2 problems in the homework. You should be able to successfully divide and multiply to check your answers. And then don't forget to refer back to these problems right here to help you solve problem 2 and 3 in the homework.